my channel. Today it's your girl Sandra, aka Slim Shady. If you're a new subscriber, hello and welcome. If you're an old subscriber, guys, you guys already know what time it is. You know I love you guys so much. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button down below. So guys, today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know I did say on my last Louis Vuitton haul that I wasn't gonna buy anything anymore for now, but I lied. Yes, I did. But guys, the thing about me, when I go to the store and I want something, I see it. If I like it, I'm gonna get it. So this is the bag, okay? So you kind of have an idea of how massive this is. So if I tell you guys what item I got, let's just go through a little backstory. So I've wanted this item for a long time now. If you want to go into the luxury world and if you want to start having a bag collection, I feel like you should start from where I'm starting from. If you follow my videos and stuff, if you see my luxury handbag video, you know that I started collecting bags from November of last year. I never used to be into bags. I used to be more into bracelets and other things. So now I'm into bags. LSOG is like, I'm crazy about it. So I'm trying to build my own collection. So obviously Louis Vuitton is my favorite brand, so I have to start from there first. Now, during the lockdown, I got myself a mini pochette, which I done a video on and stuff. But obviously we all know in the UK outside is opening officially June 21st. So I was getting myself this item because I knew that I wanted to show off, show out, and just feel good, if that makes sense. So you guys are wondering what is in this massive bag. I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer, so I'm just going to show you guys, okay? Let's go. Now, you guys know I always keep all my original packaging the way it came. So if I ever chose to resell, I have all the items, but I would never resell this item actually. This is one of like the items I've wanted for a long time, but I actually wanted to wait. Anyways, this is a box. This is how big it is. This is what it looks like. Obviously right here you've got this little magnetic thing that sticks to the box. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to open it. Can I be the first one to say this item that I'm about to show you guys had the price increase before I actually went to the store, so I was a little bit upset with myself because you know when you know you want something but you're dragging your legs? Yeah, I was dragging my legs, girl. I have with me my dust bag. Obviously the item comes in a dust bag, and yeah. This is my toiletry 26, okay? If you want to be an LV baby, you need to start with the toiletry, okay? You start with the mini pochette and then you go to the toiletry. That's how the list goes. Obviously, that's for me, personal preference, but it's totally up to you, innit? Because the mini pochette can be very, very small, so you can start with the toiletry 26. Now, this is the biggest size of all the toiletry pouches that they have. So, quick facts about the toiletry pouch. Obviously, we all know this LV print comes in a canvas material, and there's only one part of this whole entire clutch. Well, guys, it's a toiletry pouch, so toiletry is basically in the name, but a lot of people use it as a clutch bag. That's why I actually got it. So this is going to be a clutch bag for me, but if I say clutch or bag, I'm talking about the toiletry. Now, the only part that's actually raw leather is right here. I love this toiletry pouch, not only because it's the biggest size, but also because I like the shape. Now, with this, when I'm trying to store it, I'm going to store it back in the dust bag and in the box because I don't want it to lose its shape. And also when I'm going to put stuff in there, I'm not going to overpack it, if that makes sense. For the purpose of this video, I might show you guys how much stuff can fit in this pouch. But as you can see, this is me sitting down and looking side by side with me. It's actually kind of massive, so you have an idea of how massive it is. Now, when you go clubbing, if you do go clubbing, loads of girls actually carry this on a night out. I believe it can fit, depending on the size of your slippers, it can fit in this pouch. I will only put slippers in there if they have a little dust bag. If they don't, I would never ever put them in hair. But yeah, this is like for me a normal size. It's one of the hardest items to find on Louis Vuitton. I didn't get mine online. I literally called my essay to be like, Maria, I need this, and Maria always makes it happen. Like I said, when I got to the store, Maria had made in Spain, so I couldn't take it. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so stunning in person. I'm just like, yes.
The size is really good.
I know. Wait, where's it made in? Spain. No, I want France. You know I like France.
No, I think we only had this one in stock today.
Oh, Maria, don't do this to me. I want France, not Spain. Apparently, made in Paris is like the best quality. Apparently. So when I see made in Spain, I'm just like, I don't know. Let me give you guys the details about this bag. It's 25 by 20 by 5.5 centimeters. And then when it comes to the inches, it's 9.8 by 7.9 by 2 inches. Now, obviously, this is the monogram canvas. It says it comes in golden brass zip closure with leather tab. This says it has washable lining. You can actually wipe this off if you stain with anything. So just for your own like knowledge, if you put, because it's going to be a toiletry bag, right? If you put your foundation in there, it'll most probably stain it. So yeah, if you wanted to wipe it, apparently it's wipeable, which is kind of good. And then with these monogram pouches, they're also made in either France, Italy, or the USA. Okay, the sizes for all the toiletry pouches they have in Louis Vuitton is toiletry 15, toiletry 19. Now for the one that your girl got, the 26. If I was going to compare all of the sizing, I just say that for the value of your money, go for this one in particular, because like I said, it's going to fit a lot of stuff. And if you already have SLGs like the minute per share and all of that, then I'll say get this. Except you want except you just want a tiny bag, then be my guest and go for the 15 or the 19. But the 26 is what suits me and my day-to-day activities. I know you guys have been waiting for the price. That's what you guys want to hear the whole time. I think 2 years ago, this pouch was £260. And how I know this information is because my friend actually got this pouch 2 years ago. And best believe 2 years ago, my mind was like, Sandra, just get it. And I was like, no, let me save, let me wait. And then boom, price increase. And that's the thing with luxury brands. If you have your eye on an item, I would just say buy it, because as you're waiting, the price is going up. As you're waiting, the price is going up. I bought my item for £380. 380. I feel like cost per wear, it makes so much sense. And if you want to see how I'm going to turn out this little clutch situation into a bag, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got the tea for you guys. You guys are going to sip the tea. Piping hot. So if you want to see what I've done or what I'm going to do with my baby, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, that's it really for today's review. I feel like there's not, like, what can I say about it? Obviously I'm going to come back to you guys and give you guys more tea and more info, but for now it is perfect. I love the stitching, everything looks on point, nothing looks out of place, and I feel like even holding it, I'm just too excited. I want to go out like today. Take me out, baby. Take me out, baby. If you want to go on a little date night, you know, holiday trip, you know, this is perfect. Okay, so guys, I'm done with today's review. I might come back to you guys with another review in 6 months to a year on how the bag is holding up and how the stitchings in the bag are holding up as well. If you want to see that, I'm more than happy to do it. You can always comment down below, because obviously if you're going to spend so much money on an item, you want to know if it's worth the value, if that makes sense. But LV is always worth it to me, so that's my personal opinion. I am biased, I know that, but I do not care. I hope you like my channel. I hope you enjoyed my content. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, okay? And then share my video. I love you guys.